Good morning, children. Today we learn in main course book chapter number 10, 10th and 100, and in reference book chapter number 6, understanding decimals. Both chapter is same in standard 4th English medium. Now look here. Understanding decimal is what? Understanding decimal, that means represent fraction in short way. Represent fraction in a short way. Now look here. We know that a fraction is a part of a whole number. We know that fraction is a part of a whole number when we divide one whole number into 10 parts. Each part is 1/10, 1 out of 10 or 1/10. Thus 1 is equal to 10/10. Thus 1 is equal to 10/10. Again one time, fractions represent in smaller way. It is called decimals. It is called decimal. We know that fraction is a part of a whole number. When we divide one whole into 10 parts, each part is 1 out of 10 or 1/10. 1/10. Thus 1 is equal to 10/10. Here 1 divide with 100. So it's 0.01 10 100 100 100th 1000 1000. We read as 0.01. The decimal point is called point. It's read as point. So how to read it? 0.001. Again one time, 0.001. Now ma'am write here another one number here. So 23.123. 23.123. Now next topic, place value. Place value. You know place value, 1000, 10,000, 100, tens, ones. But there are two parts in a decimal number. Here place value, two parts are there. There are two parts in decimal number. The part before the decimal point is called whole number or integral part. Again one time, the part before the decimal point is called whole number or integral parts, and part after the decimal point is called the decimal or fraction part. Now again one time repeat. There are two parts in decimal number. The part before the decimal part is called whole number or integral part, and the part after the decimal point is called the decimal or fraction part. Here look here. First, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. Point. It is called decimal point. It is called decimal point. It read as only point. After point, here 10, 100, 1,000, 10th. No 10. 10th, 100th and 1,000. 1 out of 10. 1 out of 100 and 1 out of 1,000. Here no ones place. Here no ones place. After point, directly tenths, hundreds and thousands. Now here ma'am solve exercise number 6.1. Question number 1. Write the place value of the circle digit. Circle digit. Write the place value of the circle digit. Here 3. 3 stand on which place? Before point, ones and tens. 3 stand on tens tens place. So 3 tens, 3 tens or 30. Then 2 after point 10 and 100. After point 10 and 100. So 200th or 2 out of 100. Then 2 stand on ones place. So it's 2 ones and 2. 6 stand on after point 10 and 100. So 600th or 6 out of 100. Here 0 stand on ones place, it's 0, and 4 stand on 100 place, so 400 or 4 out of 100. Now next one, 1 stand on tens place, so 1 tens or 10, and 3 stand on tenths place, so 3 tenths or 3 out of 10. Here 6 stand on thousands place, that means 6,000 or 6,000. 1 stand on tens place, 110 or 10. 9 stand on 10, 10th, 100 and 1000, so 9,000s or 9 out of 1,000. Now question number 2, write in the expanded form. Write in the expanded form. So here 5 stand on tens place, so 50 plus 7 plus 6 out of 100, 6 out of 10 plus 9 out of 100. Then another one, 20 plus 4 plus 3 out of 10 plus 0 out of 100 plus 6 out of 1000. Another one, 100 plus 30 plus 0 plus 0 out of 10 plus 4 out of 100 plus 5 out of 1000. Last one, 100 plus 90 plus 6 plus 2 out of 10 plus 7 out of 100. 700 to 10, 700. Now question number 3, write the following in short form. Write the following in the short form. So 3 out of 10, 2 is a whole number and 3 out of 10 is a fraction, integral and fraction. So here 2.3. 2 plus 3 10, you write it 2.3. Then here 10 plus 5 15.2. 10 stand on tenths place, 7 10 on 100 place, 2 7 27, so 15.27. Another one, 7,520.8, but here no 100 place, that means here 0 keep it and write 6, So 7520.806. 806. Last one, 6051 point. Here no tens place, no hundred place. So keep 0, 0, 5. So it is read as 6051.005. 005. Now next question, for the given decimals numbers, write the integral part and decimal part. For the given decimal number, write the integral part and the decimal part. 74.26. So 74 is the integral part and 26 is decimal part. Here 130.02. So 130 integral part and decimal part 02. 9876 is the integral part, 9876, and 172 is the decimal part. Here 5 integral part and after point here 0000028 is the decimal part. Again one time, integral part means what? After, before point, that numbers is integral part. That means whole numbers are you call integral part, and after point that numbers are you call decimal part. Now exercise number 6.2. Like decimal is what and unlike decimal is what? Like decimals, that means after point there are equal numbers are there, equal digits are there. It's called like decimal, and unlike decimal is after point not equal digits are there. It's called unlike decimal. Here separate the like decimals. Here separate the like decimal. Question number 1. First 7.21, 14.6, 28.04, 100.9. So 7.21. After point here 2 digits are there. So find another one. So 28.04. Both are like decimal. These two both are like decimal. Another one 14.6. After point here 1 digit and 100.9. These both are like decimals. These both are like decimal and these both are like decimal. B. 19.04, 13.75, 120.2 and 79.8. So first one, after point here 2 digit. So 19.04 and 13.75. These both are like decimal. 120.2 and 79.8. These both are like decimal. Now next one, 1.02, 2.348, 6.07, 21.186. Now here after point 2 digit, here also after point 2 digit, to 1.02, 6.07, 2.348 and 21.186. These both are like decimal and these both are like decimal. Now next question, change the following unlike decimal to like decimal. Change the following unlike decimal to like decimal. First we find after point how many digits are there. Here 2, here 1, here 3 and here 3. So 3. So every number having after point 3 decimal 1. So first 64.48 is equal to 64.48. Here keep 1 0. So after point here 1, 2 and 3 digit. Again 92.4, so 92.4 after keep here 2 0. It also convert into like decimal 7.175. It is already having 3 decimal point and 1 to 128.3. So 128.300. Keep here 2 0. It's convert into unlike decimal to like decimal. Again next one here having 4 digit after point 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3.1426. Then 19.07 having only 2 decimal point. Keep here 2 zeros. 19.0700. Here 25.8 after point here 1 decimal, so 25.800. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 41.002, so 41.0020. After point we want to 4 digits, so here also 4, here also 4, here also 4. This number, this unlike decimal convert into like decimal. Now exercise number 6.3. First question, convert the following decimal fraction to decimal number. Convert the following decimal fraction to decimal number. Here 15 out of 100, 1500. So first count here how many zeros in denominator place, 1 and 2 zeros. So first write here 15 and right side count the digit 1 and 2. 1 and 2 0. So first count 1, 2, 0. So keep here decimal point and write here 0. It is easy to write 15 out of 100. Count here 0, 1, 2. Count the digit numerator place 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep the point here and write here 0. It's 0.15. Again 1, 2, 3. Here write 27. Count the digit 1, 2. Here 3 0. Keep here 1 0.0. Keep here 1 0. But you keep 0 before the digit, not after 2 digit. After 2 digit the value more. The digit value is the more, and before the 0 the value is not change it. So here keep 0.0. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3. How many digit? 1, 2, 3. How many zeros are there? So 3 zeros, keep here point and 1. It's make 0.132. Now 1 and 2. Write 6, 8, 5. Count the digit to right side. 1, 2. Keep here point. It's make 6.85. Again here 1, 2, 3. Write digit first same to same. Count the digit to right side. 1, 2, 3. Keep here point. It's make 2.873. Again here 9. First write 9. How many zeros in denominator place? 2 zeros. Here 1. Only one digit. Keep here 1 0.0. It's make 0.09. Here write first 9 to 92. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. Keep here point and 0. It's make 0.92. Again write here 3, 0, 8. Count it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep here point and keep here 1 0. 0.308. 0.308. Now next question. Convert the following decimal number to fraction. Convert the following decimal numbers to fraction. First write here 4. After point, how many digits are there? 1 digit are there. So under the denominator place, keep here 1 after only 1 0. that means 10. 4 divided with 10. B. First write 8. After point here 1 0, so downside only 10. Then first write 11. After point here 2 0, so here write 100. Next one 36. First write it. After point here 2 places, 2 digits, so keep here 1. After 1 2 zeros, it's make 136 out of 100. Here first writes only 2. After point here 2 zeros, that means you write here 100. Write here 48. After point here 1 2 3 digits are there, that means 1000. Here 6 after 6 2 3. After point here 2 zeros, so it is divide with 100. Here 15 0 0 9 1 2 3, so here thousands. Now next one 7264. After point 1 2 3 digit, so 1 after keep here 3 digit 3 zeros, so 1000. So last one 2108. After point here 1 and 2 digit, so it is divisible by 100. You have 2108 hundredth. 2108 hundredth. Now next exercise number 6.4, question number 1. Arrange the following decimals numbers in ascending order. Arrange the following decimal numbers in a ascending order. First, unlike decimal convert into like decimal, then you arrange the number in ascending order. But look here 34 34 34 34 and 34. After point here 2 digits are there, that means this all decimals are like decimals. Now arrange it. Ascending order means smaller number to greater number. Now first find smallest number 2.34. Then after 2 5.34. After 5 16.34. After 16 21.34 and last one 29.34. So arranging smaller way to bigger way. Here first check it. All decimals are like decimal या unlike decimal. If here unlike decimals are there, so first convert into like decimal, then you arranging ascending order. 8.123 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 and 1 2 3. So here 8.02 and 8.62 are unlike decimals. So first arrange it. 8.62 means 8.620. Then 8.02, so 8.020. Keep here adding here 0 to right side. Now arranging in decimal, arranging ascending order. So 8.06, 8.6, 8.006, 8.0020, 8.206. First find smallest number. So which one is the smallest? 8.006 is the smallest first. After 6, here 8.020. After 2, here 6, 8.062. After that 8.206, 8.206. Then last one 8.620. Arranging ascending order smaller way to bigger way. Now next question, arrange the following decimal number in descending order same as it is. First unlike decimal convert into like decimal, then arranging descending order. Descending order means greater number to smaller number. Here 3 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit, but here 2 and 2. So first like unlike 2 like, so 96.310 and 96.02, so 96.020. Now arrange in descending order. First find greater number, so 98, 98 both number, so 98.0, so 98.102, then 98.042, then 97.463, then 96.310, and last one 96.020. Greater number to smaller number. Now next one, first check it. All decimal point are same after point. Here 5 1, here also 1. So first it 21.5, 21.50 and 22.8, 22.80. Now arranging descending order. First find greater number, so 26.04. After that 26 after 22.80. After that 22.03. After that 21.50 and last one 21.49. Arranging greater number to smaller number. Question number 3. Put the correct sign less than, greater than or equal to. Here 186.02 and 186.2. Here 10th place, here 0, here 10th place 2. So 2 is a greater, so keep here less than symbol. Again 73.4 and 73.40. So both are same, so keep here is equal to symbol. 20.408 and 20.408 both are same. Here 9.08 and 9.8. Here 10 place 0, here 10 place 8. That means here less than symbol. 32.15 and 32.015. This one is a greater, keep here greater than symbol. 0.07 and 0.070 both are equal. Now here this chapter is completed. Hope you all students you understand in this chapter. So some exercise and some questions do it at your home. Thank you kids.